Hi, I'm out here in my front yard where I let my dogs out to go to the bathroom every day. And I'm out here to collect bugs, mealworms, cockroaches, ants, whatever I can find. And I'm going to make this great big medley for dinner tonight because that's what the media is doing. They're shoving it down our throats. They want us to eat bugs. They want to get rid of cattle altogether because Bill Gates says, oh, the greenhouse gases are 8% for the cattle and we got to get rid of them. Get rid of the chickens, get rid of the eggs. Oh, and by the way, milk is racist. Yes, I'm going to go buy 10 gallons of it tonight. I'm going to bathe in it. And while I'm bathing in the milk, I'm going to drink it while I'm bathing. How about that, Bill Gates? Yeah, in Prescott, this kind of thing, it's not going to go over well. Try to come and take our God, our guns, our chickens, our cattle, and our milk, and see how that goes for you.